video presentation demonstrate a professional business conversation focused on planning and organizing a successful convention or conference. Through a realistic dialogue between two colleagues, the discussion highlights key aspects of events management such as venue selection, sustainability, exhibitors, and modern payment methods. The conversation also applies proper business etiquettes and relevant vocabulary commonly used in professional settings. Good morning, Jordan. Thank you for meeting with me today. I want to discuss our plan for the upcoming convention that make sure that everything is aligned.
Good morning, Alex. I'm glad you brought it up. I've been reviewing the proposal, and I've already updated some of the details based on the latest feedback from the team.
Perfect. You're a fast learner, especially considering how new you are to handling a large-scale event.
Thank you. I've been doing my best to abide by the company's standard and timelines.
So let's start with the venue. Have you finalized which facility will be used?
Yes! The City Exhibition Center meets our need. The local business council also endorsed it, which helps with permits and coordination.
That's great news. Did you check the overall condition of the facility?
I did. It's well maintained, accessible, and sustainable for both exhibitors and attendees. I don't deem any major renovations necessary.
Excellent. That will help us set up faster and stay within budget.
Regarding participants, we already have 20 confirmed exhibitors. Most of them will sell branded merchandise during the event.
That's a solid number. Its sales go well, so we should be able to turn profit by the second day of the conference.
I agree. However, we might need to exclude vendors who don't meet our sustainability criteria.
Absolutely. Sustainability is one of our core values. We must abide by our environmental guidelines, even if it means fewer exhibitors. Right?
Exactly. The council also emphasized sustainability when approving the event.
Now, regarding to the payments, I heard some exhibitors want to accept cryptocurrency. What's your take on that?
I think it's innovative, but we should set clear rules so we can allow it under strict conditions as long as it complies with regulations.
That sounds reasonable. Let's include that in updated exhibitor agreement.
Already done. I updated the document and sent it to legal for review.
Impressive. You are really adapting quickly.
So, to summarize, the venue is confirmed, exhibitors are selected, sustainability standards are enforced, and lastly, the payment options are clarified.
Exactly. As long as everyone abides by the guidelines, this conference should run smoothly.
I'm confident it will. The team is motivated and the planning process has been solid.
Great work, Jordan. Let's proceed and make this conversation a success.
Well, thank you, Alex. I'm looking forward to seeing everything come together. In conclusion, this video presentation effectively applied business English principle to communicate ideas clearly, professionally, and confidently. Through appropriate language, tone, and structure, it demonstrated how effective communication supports collaboration and decision-making in a business setting. This presentation is important because strong business skills are essential for delivering clear message, building credibility, and succeeding in a real-world professional environments.